Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebra equations? We have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 over 21. And what is x plus y? So let's consider the solution here. The x and y here are a member of natural number. Let's find the LCM. Given that 1 over x plus 1 divided by y. So when we find the LCM for this, we are going to have this as xy. Then x will multiply 1 and the y will multiply 1. So we have y plus x and equals 1 divided by 21. So by considering this, we are going to multiply the cross multiplication here. We have xy equals 21 into bracket of y plus x. So open this out. We are going to have xy equals 21y plus 21x. And getting this, we are going to take 21y plus 21x to this side, as we have xy minus 21y minus 21x equals 0. Let's add 441 to both sides. So we have xy minus 21y minus 21x plus 441 equals 441. Then by grouping, let's group this together. So when we group this, we have xy minus 21y. This in bracket. Also minus open bracket 21x minus 441 equals 441. So when we factor out negative, we are going to get positive here when we expand. Then looking at this, y is common. Let's factor out y. We have x minus 21 minus factor out 21. We have x minus 21 equals 441. And the next step here is we have to combine y minus 21. So we have y minus 21. Also, we take any of x minus 21 equals 441. And let's rewrite this properly as x minus 21 multiplied by y minus 21 equals 441. So we have to find the value of x and y that satisfy this. If x minus 21 multiplied by y minus 21 equals 441. We have x minus 21 multiplied by y minus 21 equals 441. We have to look for the two numbers that we multiply together and give us 441. So for every 441, so this equals 441 multiplied by 1, which is also equals 1 multiplied by 441. And also we have 21 multiplied by 21. So we have three cases. Here is case 1, case 2, and here is case 3. So by considering the first one, we are going to let x minus 21 equals 441. And also we have y minus 21 equals 1. So the first one implies that our x here equals, we have 462. And y also implies that 22. When we consider the second case, we are going to have x minus 21 equals 1. And y minus 21 equals 441. And x implies to be 22. And also we have y equals 62. And for the last case, we are going to have x minus 21 equals 21, and we have again y minus 21 equals 21. So we are going to have our x equals 42 and we have y here equals 42. So this is what we have for this, and from the given question we says we are asked to find x plus y. So therefore, for the first one we have x plus y equals, so given x as 462 plus we have y as 22. So adding 462 plus 22, we are going to have 484. So similarly with the second one, and also for x equals 42 and y equals 42, so x plus y, it gives us 42 plus 42, and adding 42 plus 42, we are going to get 84. So this is how I solve this problem step by step. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.